Hey guys, so today we're going to be going over simplifying expressions. We'll be going over all of the basic steps using some examples. So we're going to start off very basic. So if I were to give you 3 apples and someone else were to give you 6 apples, how many apples would you have in total? This may seem very basic, but we're going to be building on it. I'll give you some time to think of that. You would have 9 apples. So for the next example, instead of writing apples, you were to write A because you got lazy. It would still be the same adding process. You would do 4A plus 3A is equal to how many A's? It's equal to 7 A's. For this, it's as if you're taking those 4 A's and you're doing A plus A plus A plus A, and then you're taking those 3 A's, I'm going to do it in a different color, and you were to do A plus A plus A, it would give you a total of 7 A's. So this time, instead of using A's, we're going to use X's. So you're to do 3x plus 6x, it would give you 9 X's. This would be the same if you were to take a different letter. Let's say Y. So if you were to do 4y plus 8y, it would give you 12y. I'm going to go fix the X I messed up. So it's the same for both letters. And it's actually the same for all letters. So it can be any letter of the alphabet. You may be asking, what if we took 2x and added 6y together? What would you get? And this actually isn't possible. Because each variable can be worth a different number, you cannot add terms that are not like, which means terms that are not the same letter. So if you were to get an equation that looked like this, just 3x plus 4y plus 6x plus 7y, you would approach it in a different manner. I like to color code my letters and then put them next to each other. So I chose blue for x's, 3x plus 6x, and then pink for y's, so 4y plus 7y. And then you can simplify the equation. So you can add the like terms. So 3 plus 6 would give me 9x, and then 4y plus 7y is equal to 11y. And this is the simplest form that you can get. So there are 3 easy steps to this. The first step is called identify. So for this equation, which is 3x plus 7y plus 14x plus 7y, the identifying step would be to color code each variable. So I chose pink for x and blue for y. And here I'm just going to specify that it's the colors. So the second step of this process is called combining like terms, but I like to call it when you put them together because that makes the most sense. So this would be when you would add 3x and 14x and 7y and 7y. So the third and final step is to simplify. So this would actually be adding 3x plus 14x, which would give you 17x, and 7y plus 7y, which would give you 14y. And this equation is now at the simplest form. And we're all done. Thank you.